Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use the app Flippity. To navigate to the Flippity app, you're just going to go to the address bar and type in flippity.net. And once you're on the website, you'll see 31 different manipulatives that you can use in your class and customize by simply copying and pasting a list of words. So that list of words might be your student names, it might be spelling words, it all depends depending on which manipulative you choose. So for example, I'm going to come down to the bottom here and I'm going to choose Fun with Fonts. And I'm going to make a list of student names with different fonts. If you would like to see how it works before putting any of your data in, you can just click Demo, and it's going to show you with their list. So they've made up a list of names. And for this manipulative, it automatically defaults to the nature setting. But as you can see, there are several different fonts I can choose from. So if I wanted sign language, braille, blocks, so on and so forth. To get my own list, I'm going to go back to the main page and I'm going to click Instructions. And once I'm there, it tells me basically what to do, which is to copy and paste my list into this box here. I'm going to give it a title, and then to save it, I need to bookmark it. There is no downloading, there is no uploading to Google Drive. You simply have to bookmark the web page once you've created your list. So I'm going to go ahead and select the generic names that were already in there and delete those. Then I'm going to go to my list. So I have a list of just first names here. And I'm going to copy and paste them. So when you have your list of words, it does need to be in individual lines or separated by commas. So spreadsheets are really nice for your list because spreadsheets automatically separate everything into their own line. And then from here, I can just copy and come up back to Flippity and paste. And there's my list. Every name is on its own line. I'm going to adjust this one so it's only one name. And I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to label it by class. So this was a kindergarten class. So I'm going to say Kindergarten Fun with Fonts. Just so if I do another Fun with Fonts, I can tell the difference between the two. And then I hit Generate. And there's my list. Again, it automatically defaults to the nature. But then I can just come up here and pick a different style. And then when I'm ready, I could just print them out if I wanted to give them to students. I could either print multiples on the same page to save some paper, or if I click print page breaks, then each name gets on its own paper. And again, if I wanted to save this for future use, I would just come up here and bookmark it. I actually, to keep them all organized, I made a folder for my Flippity apps that I've generated. And that way they're not taking up my whole bookmark bar. So I just bookmark, make sure it's in the Flippity Tools folder, and I'm done. So now that I X out of it, I want to come back to it. I go to that folder. There it is, Kindergarten Fun with Fonts. I don't have to keep remaking it over and over again. Going back to the main page, I can do that with any of these manipulatives. So again, some of them I might want to put student names in, like the name picker, the randomizer. Some I might want different lists. So the matching game, maybe I want to match colors, maybe I want to match spelling words. I have bingo games in here, I have word games. So once you have a list, every app is available to you. All you do, copy, paste, bookmark, and you have it for as long as you need it. So this was a quick overview of Flippity, and I hope you find it useful.